I don't get it. I'm not in a flood zone. Then why in the world was I quoted $5,400 a year for flood insurance? Something's clearly got to be wrong, right? Maybe not. Let's talk about it today. You see, many people get confused between flood risk and flood zones. In fact, the National Flood Insurance Program doesn't even use these zones anymore to determine rates on these houses. Many private companies don't. I was just talking to someone this morning and they're like, $5,400? Yes, because you see, the risk score on some of these properties flooding is actually about 80 out of 100 over the next 30 years. You see, your property has a 26% more chance of flooding than being caught on fire over a 30-year period. And a lot of people don't think about that. As you look at the flooding situation coming through the Ohio Valley area, what we dealt in Asheville, you see we're seeing a lot more of these events happen, but guess what? It's happening in a lot of areas where flood insurance is not required. Really, why is that? Really because flood zones are used more from a regulatory standpoint. And you want to remember that when you're looking to buy property, when you're looking to sell property, when you're just looking to protect a property, you want to make sure it's protected, but you want to make sure you know the real risk. That's why we built the flood risk tool over at the Flood Insurance Guru. You can check it out in the comments. You can check it out on our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. It'll tell you what your flood risk score is. It'll give you a pretty good idea of what premiums are going to be today and potentially what they're going to be in the future. So this is why your premiums might be really high if you're not in a flood zone. But remember, at the end of the day, everybody's in a flood zone. So make sure you protect yourself. I hope you have a great day.